What is up, guys? Michael B here. Today I'm talking about the three credit cards you're going to need in 2023 and beyond. Let's get it. All right, guys. So the first card I'm going to recommend you guys getting is the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. As we can see over here, there's a $200 bonus after spending $500 within the first 3 months from account opening. Sorry. So earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases up to $12,000 spent in the first year. So 0% APR for the first 15 months from opening this account, which, is pretty big as you can use that money spent on interest on something else. Just put that money that you would have used for your credit card, put that in on, maybe a SoFi savings account, earn some 3.5 or 0.3.5% or whatever, all that jazz. Uh, so I highly recommend this card because no annual fees, Chase 524 rule. It's best to get Chase cards out the way. Second card I recommend getting is the American Express Gold card. Right now, special offer, instead of earning 60,000 membership points, you earn 90,000 after spending $4,000 within the first 6 months, which is actually a pretty good deal. $250 annual fee. For me, at least, it's $0 if you're in the military. But this is a solid card. You get 4 times the points at restaurants, grocery stores, 3 times the points on flights. This is a big one that I look forward to every month. The $120 dining credit, $10 each month on Grubhub. I usually do a pickup order, something that's near me. Yeah, so the last couple months I've been getting some tacos. And yes, sir. So the third card I'm gonna recommend, which I also have, is the platinum card. As you can see, there's an $80,000 point membership after sign up bonus after you spend $6,000 within the first 6 months. So spending about $1,000 a month, which isn't so bad if you have a job and you can afford it. So, what you get $200 hotel credit every year, $240 digital entertainment credit every year, which I use Audible, Disney Plus, Hulu, New York Times. So I actually have three American Express Platinum cards, which I take advantage of. Uh, Uber Cash each month. So every month I get about $45 in Uber cash credits, and then in December every year, I think it's what it doubles. Let me double check. Or $20 in December, so that's $60, and you get the $200 airline credit fee per year. So I actually use this for United travel bank credits. So if you go and buy some travel credits, which are pretty much like digital credits on the website, you get $200 credits each year. There's like expiration date. I think it's up to the expiration date for these United Airline credits are like 2 to 3 years after you buy them. I gotta double check. But I've had I have like $3,000 worth of United Airline credits. So I love this card, also because of the Saks Fifth Avenue $100 statement credits every year, which you get $50 every 6 months. So I've been taking advantage of that since I have three Amex. I've been buying airline credits every 6 months, Saks Fifth every 6 months. Yes, for me, it was worth it for the sign up bonus. And yeah, that's it for now.